Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Don't deep fry frozen wings. Always thaw them first and pat them dry. Timing is simply a question of listening. When wings cook in hot oil, you will hear a sizzling sound as the water content of the chicken disperses.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Never thaw your frozen chicken wings out on the counter. This will make nasty bacteria grow. Instead, plan ahead and place the wings in the refrigerator the night before you cook them. This will keep them both tasty and sound. If you are in a hurry and choose not to thaw, do not worry.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Fresh wings. Before deep frying a frozen wing, it's best to thaw it in the fridge. However, a lot of people try a quick thawing trick. They will dump them in warm water in the sink. While this may speed up the thawing process, it actually pre-cooks the chicken.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Q. Can I cook chicken from frozen? Yes and no. Small pieces of frozen, such as diced or sliced chicken, can be cooked straight from frozen on the stovetop, providing that the meat reaches a core temperature of 70 degrees Celsius for at least 2 minutes to destroy any harmful bacteria.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Follow the directions to your fried chicken recipe, and create a wet batter and a dry batter to dip your frozen chicken in. Some recipes call for a seasoned buttermilk wet batter, but you could also beat and season a few eggs for a wet batter. Use the same seasonings to add flavor to flour for a dry batter.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Traditionally, wings are fried once for several minutes between 365 degrees Fahrenheit and 375 degrees F. To fix this, fry the chicken twice. With this approach, the wings take an oil bath for several minutes at 275 degrees F. You're not trying to crisp the skin, says Simon.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Fry chicken wings in hot oil until crisp and no longer pink at the bone and the juices run clear, 9 to 12 minutes. An instant read thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the meat, near the bone, should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Transfer fried wings to a large stainless steel bowl.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.